Dapat tatlo, di ba?
Opo.
Matt Monroe. Asa si Matt Monroe?
Bossing! Bossing, andito ako, bossing.
Asa ka ba?
Ito po, ito po.
O, yan ka naman.
Akala ko nakalimutan niyo na ako,
Kung
bossing.
saan ka nagsususuot eh.
Inaantay ko po kayo dun.
Kami lang ang pinagtatrabaho mo rito.
Sorry na po, bossing.
Para tayong popoy-poling tuloy.
Ate, pagod na kami.
Sorry.
Ikaw naman.
Oh, sige po, bossing.
Eh,
Sabayan niyo ako.
Papahinga muna kami ni Ruel.
Akala ko po tatlo tayo.
Basta tatlo tayo. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo.
Sige po, bossing.
Dito muna tayo. Mga ate. Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in your eyes.
Bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I dream of something wild.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and I'm lying like a child in your arms. Every now and then I get a little bit angry and I know I've got to get out and cry. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eyes.
Around bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can make it till the end of the line. 'Cause love is like a shadow on me all the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. We're living in a pot again. Give it up, smile. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start to. Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do, a total eclipse of the heart.
Nabitin yung kape namin na. Hinapahaba mo pa.
Once upon a time there was life in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say, a total eclipse of love. Eclipse of the heart. Make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Eclipse of the heart. Eclipse of the heart. Eclipse of the heart.
Mga Dabar Cats are Ninongs and Ninang for today. Ninang singing queen KZ, Matt Monroe of the Philippines, Roel Carino, and Bossing Vic Soto! Bossing, okay na po, okay na po.
Mga kaibigan, ang bagong Dolby, Panchito at Aruray!
Wow.
Grabe yun.
Siyempre, pag may ninong, may regalo sa inaanak yan.
Oo naman.
Grabe naman yung performance niyo, boss.
Sobra.
Ay, may regalo sa atin si Queen Casey, si Rowell, at saka si Bossing.
Ano po ba yan?
Casey
Nina?
muna. Casey.
Casey.
Meron po akong inihanda po na Christmas package and gift card po. Yes.
Easy.
Yes, limited edition Eat Bulaga sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt.
Package po, sorry. Plus gift card.
Aruray ka talaga!
Galing. Galing ni Aurora, ya.
Pagod.
At sa akin naman po, limited edition, Eat Bulaga sweatshirt.
Ayun.
Plus earphones,
Matamis
wireless ultra pods,
Wow!
cellphone, and headphones.
Grabe naman. Aray.
Okay.
Complete.
Ayan, oh.
Ang regalo namin sa inaanak namin, hindi rin basta-basta.
Ayun!
Yung kanta lang namin ng basta-basta. Ang ginaldo namin mapupunta sa Team Bahay. We have 20 winners of 1,000 pesos.
Opa!
Meron pa. 10 naman ang mananalo ng 5,000 pesos.
Dami yan, ha?
Wait lang po. Higit sa lahat, may nag-iisang tao mananalo personally from me. 5 pesos. Pare, pag sabihin mo, Panchito.
At least personal yan, ha? Ang gagawin nyo lang mga Damar Cats, i-comment ang inyong e-wallets generated QR code sa Gcash, sa Maya, sa designated post na ito ng TVJ's Facebook page.
Yon, yung QR code nila ang i-comment.
Yeah.
Yon. Ito ha,
Tapos pupuntahan nila sa bahay si Matt Monroe.
kunin personal yung 5 pesos. Pero hindi, ganito lang, Damar Cats. Yung pong QR code na sinasabi ni Pao kanina, magko-comment lang po kayo ng QR code ninyo. Pwede na po kayo makatanggap ng aginaldo na 1,000 pesos o kaya 5,000 pesos.
Sandali lang, Miles. Pare, may gusto sabihin si Aruray.
Iyan ko yun, Mas Joey. Comment na po mga Dower Cats at ipapadala namin yan today sa mga inaanak agad-agad.
Agad na yan. At thank you po, Ninang Singing Queen Casey, Ninong Rowell, at Ninong Bossy. Thank you po mga Ninong. Susunod na, pautakan na ng mga working Pinoy henyo sa pagbabalik ng
Thank you, Petroban. Make it simple to last your whole life long.
Oh, kaya naman!
Don't worry about it, it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing a song. Just sing a song.
One more time.
Just sing a
Thank you po, Ninong.
Don't worry,
Kasi niya.
Okay na po. Bossing, okay na po.